Listening practice. My summer vacation. Hi, my name is Sarah. Let's look at some pictures from my summer vacation. Meet my little sister Abigail. She's standing outside the hotel. She's quite the little actress, that one. If there is a camera around, she's posing in front of it. It is very early in the morning. That's why you can't see people in the restaurant behind her. She's holding a lollipop in her hand because she's hungry. And this is my brother Max with my mum and, of course, Abigail. We are all walking to the beach. Grandad is coming a little later. He's very tired. I'm taking the picture here and Dad is standing next to me. He's looking at us all and smiling. There she is again. She's everywhere. Here, Max is building a sandcastle and grinning proudly. Mum is coming out of the water and Dad is going in for a swim. And of course, Abigail is standing right in front of the camera. Here she is again, at the hotel restaurant where we are having dinner. This is a picture from our hiking trip. Ignore Abigail and look at this beautiful scenery. And here's Max, crouching by the pond. He's playing with the ducks. This here is Jake, our new friend. He's coming with us on the hike. Now we are going on a boat tour around the islands. We are at the back of the boat, so you can't see us. But I guess you can see Abigail there, right? Amazing! How is... Never mind, forget it. Let's just flick through the rest of the photos, okay? My mum is calling me for dinner. Oh, wait. Why is Grandad looking so happy here? Who is he talking to? Interesting. Listening comprehension. Listen and repeat. My summer vacation. My summer vacation. Hi, my name is Sarah. Hi, my name is Sarah. Meet my little sister Abigail. Meet my little sister Abigail. She's quite the little actress, that one. She's quite the little actress, that one. She's holding a lollipop in her hand because she's hungry. She's holding a lollipop in her hand because she's hungry. We are all walking to the beach. We are all walking to the beach. Grandad is coming a little later. He's very tired. Grandad is coming a little later. He's very tired. I'm taking the picture here and Dad is standing next to me. I'm taking the picture here and Dad is standing next to me. Mum is coming out of the water and Dad is going in for a swim. Mum is coming out of the water and Dad is going in for a swim. And here's Max, crouching by the pond. And here's Max, crouching by the pond. This here is Jake, our new friend. This here is Jake, our new friend. We're at the back of the boat, so you can't see us. We're at the back of the boat, so you can't see us. My mum is calling me for dinner. My mum is calling me for dinner. Who is he talking to? Who is he talking to? Make questions. Example. She's standing outside the hotel. Is she standing outside the hotel? It is very early in the morning. Is it very early in the morning? We are all walking to the beach. Are we all walking to the beach? I am taking the picture here. Am I taking the picture here? He's playing with the ducks. Is he playing with the ducks? They are at the back of the boat. Are they at the back of the boat?